In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your payment receipt invoice in Squarespace. If you need a copy of a payment receipt for your records, accounting, or expense tracking, Squarespace makes it fairly simple to find and download it once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside your own Squarespace account. To get started, log into Squarespace and head to your main dashboard. From there, look for the settings icon and click it. This is where Squarespace keeps the more detailed account and site management options, including your billing information. If you manage more than one site, just make sure you're in the correct site before continuing so you download the right invoice. Once you're in the settings area, find and click on Billing. This section contains all of the payment-related details for your subscription and services. It's the place where you can review charges, subscriptions, and past invoices connected to your Squarespace account. If the menu looks slightly different on your screen, take a moment to scan the options carefully, since layout variations can happen depending on your account or plan. Inside Billing, click on Invoices. This will open the list of invoices associated with your account. Here, you should be able to see your payment history and the available invoice documents that Squarespace has generated. This is especially useful if you need proof of payment for bookkeeping, reimbursements, or tax documentation. Now, select the invoice you want to access and download it. Usually, you'll see the invoice listed with identifying details such as the date or billing period, which can help you choose the correct one. After selecting it, use the download option to save the file to your device. In most cases, the invoice will download as a PDF, which makes it easy to store, print, or send to your accountant if needed. As a quick tip, after downloading the invoice, open the file right away to confirm it saved correctly and contains the information you need. It can also be helpful to rename the file with the billing date or subscription type, so it's easier to find later. And that's it. That's how to download your payment receipt invoice in Squarespace. Once you know the path through settings, billing, and invoices, the process is fast and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.